In this video, let me show you how to open a GXS Bank account Singapore. Now, in order to do this, you need to download the GXS Bank application onto your device. And once you download the application, you just need to select the type of account that you need to create. Now, all of the information is pulled from your Singpass MyInfo profile. So all you want to do is log into your account or add in your credentials so that you do not need to manually fill in all of the information. So first of all, select the type of account that you're trying to create. And in the first step, it is going to ask you to enter in your phone number. Once you enter in your phone number, in the next step, as I said, you need to link your Singpass MyInfo and then answer extra text prompts regarding your employment status as well as your financial profile. And then lastly, upload your documents and also a verification selfie. Once that is done, your account will be instantly created and activated instantly as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.